Silence. Then the sound comes. A metallic beating tears through the sky. Slow, heavy, inevitable. Each rotation announces danger before it's even seen. This is no ordinary helicopter. It's the Apache, designed to attack tanks, dominate hostile skies, and enter where no other aircraft would dare. It is a flying fortress, heavy armor and firepower capable of changing the course of a battle in seconds. And when it appears on the horizon, it's already too late for those on the ground. On the front line, the Apache doesn't just enter combat, it redefines who controls the battlefield. But then, the sound changes. Deeper, heavier, more imposing. It's the sound of a giant that moves war before the first shot is even fired. The C-17 Globemaster III dominates the space around it. Designed to transport tanks, troops, and tons of equipment across entire continents without stopping, it turns distance into a detail, and time into a strategic advantage. Every takeoff carries more than cargo. It carries military power projected on a global scale. When its wheels touch the runway, it's not just a landing. It's the arrival of an entire operation. But today, the cargo isn't ordinary. Inside it, silent, waiting for the right moment. And when the rear ramp opens, it's not just a deployment, it's the beginning of an operation. And what's about to come out of it could change everything. Like the video and click on the next one because it was specially recommended for you.